So right now, if we're flipping the switch on this brake board, we should hear the brake unlocking, and it's not. So when all 5 LEDs are lit on the brake board, the brake should unlock and the belt should move freely, and it's not doing that right now. The power supply, which is what I'm pointing to right now, is the issue. So we're just going to lift this up out of here, and then we're going to unplug the cables. And then there's some cables that are on the solenoid, or the relay rather, that need to be plugged in properly. So let's make sure we get that right, because we're going to remove this board right here. So these have got to be squeezed. So we need to unplug this cable here, that's the power. And then we need to unplug that. I just want to make sure the red one goes on the bottom. This is the new board. Red, black. Okay, and then we got to get the standoffs back on. So we're going to put the standoffs back on. Plug in all the cables. This is your I/O cable coming from the nucleus. This is your cable going to the brake. This is a 12-volt cable coming from the power supply to the brake board. And then we want to plug in our 120-volt cable. Before I screw anything down though, I want to check it to make sure it works. So let's see if this works now. Yep, that's the sound I needed.